Welcome back to the shop, everyone. It's moving day for the most unique tote rack ever. From concept of design, to the first cut, to the milling of the first pieces. This build was made with a purpose in mind, and that purpose is about to be fulfilled. But here's some nostalgia along the way.
Oh, there you are. Welcome back to the shop.
From discussing what we wanted to do and how we're going to do it, to take nothing and turn it into something and make it tangible, that's what this build was all about. But like I said, it was made with a purpose, and we must pay respect to those we lost along the way. It's time for that purpose to be fulfilled. It was a great build. It came out wonderfully. It came out just the way it was supposed to. It came out the way it was planned. But that plan always ended with this being moved to a new location. So for that to happen, we had to break it down. Not only did we assemble, we have to disassemble, meaning every screw that was placed will have to be taken out and put back in at a later date. So today is all about the work. The one-man build becomes a one-man disassemble. So as carefully as we put it together is how carefully we pack it up and prepare it for its true home. But it was all worth it. It's a little effort. That's what we're here for. That's why we build things. That's why we fix stuff. The only way to get to the next project is to complete the one that you're on. This one is nearly complete. We still have to transport it, put it back together, then it will fulfill its course. But in the meantime, this is what we do, and this is why we do it. So as carefully as we put it together is how carefully we pack it up. And with that in mind, safety is always first. Its new home is about 50 miles away, so we gotta make sure we get there in one piece. And we're officially road worthy. And because of that, we made it there safely. So at this point, we're gonna tuck this away in its new home, and we're gonna come back at a later date and reassemble. And this is all because we have something bigger planned for you, and it's coming soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.